Hey guys, it's me, herein, professional real estate investor. And today I'm going to talk about something that all of us need, but very few people actually talk about. And that is passive cash flow. Now we all know that we need cash flow. Can't really live without it. As a matter of fact, that's why we get up and go to work every day, right? Because we know that at the end of the week, at the end of 2 weeks, or at the end of a month, we're going to have cash flow that comes into our bank account. And so we provide for that cash flow by exchanging our time for someone else's money. Now, passive cash flow is what I want to talk about today, and passive cash flow is when you can get cash flow in without exchanging your time for money. And the way that you do that is by putting your money to work. Now, one of the things that most people don't do is make a plan for developing passive cash flow. As a matter of fact, most people don't even know how to do that. I tried to do it back in 1982 by buying a bunch of rental houses. I felt that I could collect the rents every month, pay my mortgages, and what was left was my passive cash flow. What I found though is that it wasn't really very passive, because as a landlord with many doors, I found myself really very much involved in creating that income. True passive cash flow is when your money works for you and generates cash flow coming into you. And so what I do now is I help people create passive cash flow, because passive cash flow provides freedom. And you can find passive cash flow in many different sources. I choose to invest in mortgages because with mortgages, I'm not a landlord and I get passive income every single month from the homeowners that are paying their mortgage payments to me. And it's a great way to invest. Now, you don't have to have a lot of money to get started in this field, but you do need to get started. And you can grow your passive cash flow portfolio slowly over time or quickly over time. That depends on you. But you can grow your passive cash flow portfolio so that at some point you have enough cash flow coming in that you don't have to go to work anymore. If you've not looked into this, visit our website at investbrilliantly.com and you can see more information there about the types of things that we do. I help people do this all the time and I love talking about it. So if you want to talk about it, check it out, go to our website or call me at the phone number at the end of this video and I'll be happy to speak with you. Again, I'm herein. God bless you.